Check out this new RAM that I got. We're going to be doing a quick little upgrade. This here is 64 gigs of DDR5 RAM. We're going to be adding the 64 gigs to our current machine that already has 64 gigs. So I just wanted to do a quick little upgrade. Let me see if I can set you guys up here so you can see the install. Installing RAM is probably one of the easier things to do if everything works out nicely. It just kind of plugs in. So let's see. This RAM should install pretty easily. Let's see, what direction is it? It only goes in one way. I think it goes in like this. And let's do a quick peel, because there's a nice mirror finish on here. Look at this. It's just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous RAM. I don't feel like touching it. Like, see, here's another peel. And we're just going to be installing it. See how this goes. Open up the pins. Should click right in. Click, click, heard it click. All right, there's one. Got one more. See if we can do a nice peel on this. I don't even know if you guys can see this. Let's get a good peel. Open up the little knob. Bottom side. Right in. Is it all in? Looks like it. 64 gigs of RAM. Let's see if we can get a power on. Give it a second. Ooh, crystals. All right, let's see if it works.